Jayco Whitehawks are some gorgeous travel trailers. Let's check them out. Inside a Whitehawk is amazement on all levels. Starting with the fact you'll get plenty of headspace via the 81-inch interior height. Keeping cool is a snap with a 15,000 BTU AC with directional and closable AC vents with a second 15,000 BTU AC option. On cold nights, you'll stay warm thanks to the 35,000 BTU furnace with a wall thermostat, plus a convenient electric fireplace. This is all well and good, especially when lounging on the comfortable sofa or the optional theater seating, but the highlight of any Whitehawk is the kitchen. Every Whitehawk comes with a modern RV kitchen with high-end features, including a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge with black glass door inserts, a 3-burner recessed cooktop with oven, a microwave, and a deep split bowl stainless steel sink with high-rise pull-out faucet. Nice additional touches include solid hardwood cabinets, ball-bearing drawer guides with 75-pound capacity, a decorative backsplash, and a kitchen skylight that includes a shade. For dining, a booth dinette is standard, but you can opt for a freestanding dinette, including one with bench seating. The Whitehawk bedroom is complete with a queen bed, and most having a king bed option. USB ports and an outlet are easily accessible, and in fact, you'll find them in the bunk areas as well. The Whitehawk bathroom is spacious and includes a porcelain foot flush toilet, a shower with solid enclosure, and a large skylight. Speaking of light, you'll find it streaming into the front automotive-style windshield that has a radiant roller shade when you want to make the interior a little darker. As far as entertainment, every Whitehawk includes an LED smart TV with speakers inside and out. Speaking of outside, the entertainment continues with marine-grade speakers with blue LED accent lighting, as well as a TV bracket with a 120-volt and cable outlets. The entry features LCI solid steps with wide fold-down aluminum steps. These are incredibly easy and very stable. Every Whitehawk comes with a large power awning with LED lights, so you're protected from the elements as you enjoy the outdoors. Plus, cook on the outdoor kitchen that comes with most Whitehawk floor plans, as does the J-Port system with outside griddle. You will have great peace of mind knowing the Whitehawk sits on Goodyear radial tires and even comes with a spare. If you're looking to do some off-grid camping, then the Outlander solar package, coming with either a single or pair of 200-watt solar panels, is perfect for you. The Whitehawk also features a tankless water heater, power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks, slam latch baggage door, battery disconnect, and is pre-wired for a backup camera. Rest assured, Jayco Whitehawks are built to last. The Whitehawk has an American-made I-beam with integrated A-frame, Stronghold VBL vacuum bonded side, rear and slide sidewalls with Asdel laminated interior and exterior walls, a Magnum Truss roof system with one-piece seamless roof material, and an aerodynamic rounded front profile with diamond plate. Also, every Whitehawk comes with Climate Shield 0-degree tested weather protection that includes a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, double-layer fiberglass batt insulation in ceiling and floor, and double-sided radiant barrier insulation throughout. You're going to find a fabulous Whitehawk floor plan for you and your family. One thing to know is Whitehawk will run from about 30 to 38 feet and on average weigh about 7,000 pounds, so you'll need a fairly sizable tow vehicle. Let's highlight a few floor plans. For the camping couple, the 24 MRB features a space-saving Murphy bed with jackknife sofa, large slide-out, entertainment center with fireplace, and a roomy bathroom with lots of counter space. You'll also get an outside kitchen. The 27 RB, despite it being built for a camping couple, can sleep up to 6. You'll get a master bedroom with a private entry from the exterior, a large slide-out, entertainment center with fireplace, and a large bathroom. For some outdoor cooking, you get an outside kitchen. For families, Whitehawk has plenty of bunk models. The 29BH is one such example and has double-over-double bunks, a massive slide-out, an impressive entertainment center, plus an outside kitchen. The master bedroom also has a private entry and additional closet space, and the 29BH can sleep up to an astonishing 10. The 32BH is a bunkhouse dream. The private bunk room includes a half bath, slide-out, and room to sleep for. There's a massive slide-out on the campsite, a large kitchen, and spacious master bedroom. There's an outside kitchen, and overall, the 32BH can sleep 9. White Hawks are well built, beautiful, and have a floor plan for everyone. Find yours at rv.campingworld.com.